Have you ever wondered what it would be like to fly yourself out to Thailand and commit yourself to a Muay Thai training camp? Well, that's exactly what I've done. I have flown myself out to Thailand on a one-way ticket to do absolutely nothing but learn the art of Muay Thai. And I can honestly say it's been one of the best things I've ever done in my entire life. And for those of you who don't know what Muay Thai is a martial art. It's Thailand's national martial art. It is the art of using your elbows, knees, kicks and punches to defeat your opponent. It's pretty brutal. It's vicious. It's a vicious martial art, but it's good fun to learn, and it's a huge part of the Thai culture. Now, for most people, doing something like this is going to seem like an impossible dream. What about work? What about my job? What about my wife, my husband, my kids, my pets? What about money altogether? How am I going to be able to afford it? Well, to be honest, it's a lot cheaper than you'd think. But I'll go into the costs of it a little bit later on. Now, gyms. There are around 450 Muay Thai gyms in Thailand. That is an overwhelming amount of options to choose from. You can go anywhere around the country. You can go up in the mountains of Chiang Mai, you can go to Phuket, Bangkok, or here in the island of Ko Samui. Luckily enough for me, my coach from the UK recommended me this particular gym that I've gone to now. I checked a few comparison sites before I booked it as well, and it's in the top 5 on most sites that I looked at. And after I've been here for about 10 weeks now, I don't see how you could really get better, to be honest. But wherever you do decide to train, make sure you check reviews before you go there. You can get some real dirty gyms. Infections are a big thing out here. You can get some real egotistical gyms as well, with a lot of people there that just act like dickheads, and it's allowed, whereas here it's not allowed. If you come in there trying to batter people, then you're gonna get humbled. But we're turning up to the gym now that I'm at, so let me show you. Sawadee Cup. Here it is. It is hot. It is hot. You can see how far. Training in this heat is something you need to get used to, because it's hot as, man. But this is where I've been living for the last 10 weeks. It's clean, it's spacious. They have advanced classes and beginner classes depending on your skill level. A lot of the trainers, in fact, I think all of the trainers are ex-champions or fighting currently. And these guys fight a lot, man. The Thai fighters fight a lot. Some of the trainers here have around 250 fights. They fight like once a month when they're actually fighting. It's crazy. Another good thing I love about this place is the viewing deck. It's perfect. It's perfect for if you're here on your own, because you can sit and watch the classes. You can also sit with other people that go into the gym, and you can socialize with people and get to know them. And you know, everyone who goes in the gym pretty much comes into this cafe right next door. And the good thing about this place as well is that it's healthy food. Like, it's good food. That's one of the things you 100% need. If you're going to be training here twice a day in 30-degree heat, you want to be eating good food, and it's right here, right next door. And the people you meet here are not necessarily, if you're the extra judgmental type, the type of people you'd expect to be here. It's not just full of bullies who want to come here and beat people up or learn how to beat people up in a better way. 90% of the people that come here are extremely humble people, really nice people. You've got people here from all ages, from teenagers up to nearly 60 years old. I think there was one guy here who was over 60 years old, still training. You've got people here trying to lose weight. You've got men and women. You've got people just trying to improve on their fitness. It's not just fighting age men who want to just batter each other. It's a really nice atmosphere, and you get a really nice mixed bag of people here. Now, if you wanted to do something like this, what would your schedule look like? What would a typical schedule look like? In this particular gym, you have 2 classes per day. You have a morning and an afternoon. Then depending on whether you're the advanced or beginner, so there's 4 classes altogether, 2 for advanced, 2 for beginner. And within those classes, you will be doing anywhere between 3 to 7 kilometers worth of running per day, 10 minutes of skipping per day. You'll be doing technical drills, light sparring, unless you're with an arsehole, which you do get. I say 90% of people here are decent. You do get the odd arsehole, but it's all right. Sometimes a bit of hard sparring is actually quite nice. So yeah, light sparring, circuit training, clinching, sprints, and on top of all that, this is all done in 30+ degree heat. Right now it's April, so it's more like, feels like 40 degree heat. So training that twice a day is not easy. It's not easy, but nothing good ever came easy. There are a few rules I follow though, just to make sure that it goes as smooth as possible and I get the most out of the experience. One, stay hydrated. Electrolytes, you need to have them. You sweat so much here. I've tried coconut water as well, because when I first came I was having electrolyte tabs and it was all good, felt sweet, and then I stopped them and I was having the coconut water on its own, and I did not get the same feeling. I did feel a bit drained, so I would say just stick to the electrolytes. If you go to Lotus's, you can get them in bulk and you can get them pretty cheap, or you can get them in 7-Eleven. Number 2, eat good food. Make sure you eat good food. Don't go to dodgy places. Don't go to, I mean, the street food's probably good as well, depends on your stomach. I would not go there. You lot know, I get sick all the time, right? I need to eat good food. I've been eating in here a lot. There's a couple of good places as well. There's Paper Moon. It depends on where you're gonna go, and train. So you just wanna make sure you find the good places. Look at the reviews, make sure no one's getting food poisoning there. Make sure that it's good quality food and as cheap as possible, because you wanna keep the costs down. But yeah, bottom line, don't eat anywhere dodgy. If you get sick, you can't train, it's a waste of time. 3, sleep. Make sure you're getting at least 8 hours sleep a night. If you don't get enough sleep, you're gonna be fatigued and tired in class, and if you have to spar somebody with slow reactions and stuff, you're really not gonna have a good time. Number 4, we're in Thailand. Weed is legal here. Stay away from the weed. I have seen so many people here come with the best intentions to train and better themselves. They've started on the weed and they just get stuck there. They're in the hotel all the time. I've seen it so much. Don't be that guy. Come here, stay away from the weed, stay away from the alcohol, apart from it if it's like a couple before your day off. Don't start drinking throughout the week and going to the parties, because they're on every night. You have a bit of a resilience, a little bit of willpower. It's a waste of time, man. You're here to train, you're here to better yourself. Number 5, don't overtrain. You feel like you want to come here and get the most out of the training. You want to turn up every day because included in your package is 2 times training a day. Don't do that. I tried doing that. I overtrain. You end up getting little skin infections and stuff. It's not good at all. You also open yourself up to injuries. As soon as you're tired and you start throwing lazy kicks and stuff, you start getting checked easier, you're slower, and you're going to end up injuring yourself a lot easier. Hello? No thanks. In a bit. Yeah, it's okay. Yes, you're going to injure yourself a lot easier, and more injuries means less training. It's not a good way. Listen to your body. Listen to your body with this. If your body's saying I'm too tired, if your feet are hurting like hell when you even just getting out of bed, maybe take the day off. Number 6, bacterial infections. I just mentioned. If you're overtraining and you're exhausted, your immune system's down, you're opening yourself up to bacterial infections. So they are extremely common out here anyway. You have a multitude of people come in sweating buckets every time on these mats. It's clean in here, but you still, if somebody comes in with an infection and you get hold of it and it gets into a cut or whatever, you can get that. I didn't have any cuts on my face and I ended up with this bacterial infection all around my eye. So you can just get in. You can get antibiotics over the counter out here pretty cheaply. So if you just go in there into any chemist and say I've got a bacterial infection from the gym, they know what to give you. It's pretty cheap. But the problem with that is if you're on antibiotics, your cardio is going to suffer as a result. So you want to avoid that as much as possible. You want to get yourself some antibacterial soap and make sure you shower and wash every single time after training. Don't leave it and don't go off and mess around outside. Just go and shower ASAP and keep yourself as clean as possible. Look at this, mate. Look how much I'm sweating. Soaked just from sitting here talking to you. Days off. You get 1 day off a week, right? The schedule is 6 days a week. You get 1 day off a week. What are you gonna do in your days off? You're in Thailand, right? This place is built for recovery and relaxation. You've got Thai massages all over the place for 300 to 500 baht. Just don't go to the dodgy ones and spend God knows how much on happy endings and that, because you're gonna want the aggression in class, right? Don't go to the dodgy ones. Go to the normal Thai massage places. If you come to this one, I know a good massage place here that I've been going to the whole time. Once a week I go, 400 baht, sweet as. Promotes blood flow to the areas, helps with recovery. Yeah, it's definitely a good thing to do on your day off. There's also a spa here as well, with the sauna, the ice bath, cold plunge pool, swimming pool, steam room, hot tub. It's got everything a spa should have, right? It's about 390 baht for a day. Unless you get 10 sessions in one go, you can get it for 250 baht a day, which is really good price. You can go in there and just use it for the whole day if you want to stay in there that long. It's just down the road, 5-minute walk from here, and they have all of that. Luma, it's called. There's a beach as well, obviously. I'm on Ko Samui, the island. The beach is literally just down the road. Lamai Beach is just down the road. It's a pretty nice beach. I don't go down there too often. If you watch the channel a lot, you know the beach ain't really my scene. But it's nice, man. This island's perfect place just to come for like a retreat, you know? It's a retreat. It's like you come here just to better yourself, do nothing but better yourself for however long you can afford. Right, this is the room, right? Part of the deal. It was all pre-booked through the gym, through Punch It Gym. Punch It aren't sponsoring this, by the way. Obviously, I never try and sell you guys anything. I just turn up and tell you if it's good or bad, and suffer the fools in the comment section who are offended. But yeah, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just telling you my experience, and I kind of want to encourage more guys to do it, because it can be quite an intimidating thing. More guys and girls. I know I just get mainly guys watching this channel for whatever reason. Maybe it's my character. But we get I want to encourage a lot more people to do this, because I think it's so rewarding. It's such a cool experience. Everyone who's come here is like booking up for next year as well, and like they can't get enough of it. And you know, you are coming in, you get punched in the face every day, but it's all part of the learning process, man. Like if you learn, yeah, it's good, man. It's good. It's good. I would encourage anyone to come and do this. Don't be intimidated by it. Don't worry about arsehole trainers and stuff. I mean, this gym in particular, the trainers here are so nice. They're so humble. Like they could f you up if they wanted to. They really could. Any of them could at any moment. They're like half our size. They would f us up if they really wanted to. It's crazy how strong they are and how technically skilled they are, and it's just an absolute honour to learn from them, especially if you do the personal training sessions. I've been doing personal training sessions with them. They're 1,000 baht for an hour, which is about 22 quid. If you get 10 sessions, you get them for 9,000 baht. You get them for 900 baht each, and you're getting top quality advice and teaching in a one-on-one situation from like an ex-champion. So yeah, I mean, Crew Bass is #1 for me. I think he's an absolute legend. So yeah, if you do come here, you want to book personal trainings with that man, because he's technically skilled and he knows, he's got very patient as well, and he will go through everything with you. I'm rambling. Right, the room, yes, the room is part of Punch It. It's part of the package. Yes, this is my humble abode. I need to get this aircon on because I am not. This place is perfect. I have absolutely no complaint at all with this place. The bed's comfortable, you've got a big fridge, you've got a little stove top if you want to make, I make eggs every morning, keeps the costs down. Yeah, decent shower. Fuck it, it's got everything you need, man. Yeah, cost, how much does this all cost? So, if you do it monthly, it costs me about £1,150 a month. That includes gym twice a day, or up to twice a day, accommodation, and all food at the cafe. I get about 720 baht a day there, so that is more than enough. The other option for me was going to be in Pai. There's a place called Bee's Gym or something like that. That was actually a pretty cool option as well. The only problem with that is it's burning season up there throughout the time I'm here, and a bit of a pain in the ass to get to. This is like, you just catch a flight, 20-minute taxi and you're here. This is just very, very convenient. This place is, I'm glad I came here. I'm glad I didn't go anywhere else. But if it's out of your budget at £1,150 a month, then there are cheaper options available. That one up north was going to be about half the price of this, and that included all food and everything as well. So yeah, it depends. This is a bit more luxurious, but still for £1,150 a month with all food and that included as well, you can't really moan, can you? I thought it was an absolute quality deal. Yeah, what else can I say? What else can I say, people? Listen, right, at the end of the day, there are always going to be a lot of reasons not to do something. And what separates the talkers from the walkers is just fucking ignoring all of that and just doing it. Obviously, Natalia's not here. She hasn't been here for the last 10 weeks. She went home after the last place, and I'm meeting up with her again after this. So we've had to go without, but it's all part of the process of self-improvement. So you're either going to do it or you're not. You know, I've met so many people in my time that always say, oh, I wish I could do that, I want to do that, oh, I'd love to do that, but then they go and waste all their money on trash, and it's like, you're never going to do it, are you? Because you're just lost in these little materialistic obsessions, or smoking or boozing all the time. It's just an absolute waste of money in my eyes. I just think you're not getting anything. You're getting maybe a little buzz. I don't know. We've all been there. In my past, I was like that myself, so it just depends on whether you grow up and look past it or keep doing the same shit. But if it's something you're interested in, or something you want to do, or something you've been thinking about, or you want to learn how to defend yourself, it's a great way to do it. So yeah, it's been more of a talking video today, isn't it? It's not really been exploring, but let me know what you thought of it anyway. If you don't mind these talking ones, I've got a lot of ideas that I could talk to you guys about, and little theories about life and travel and blah blah blah. Let me know if that's your sort of thing. But yeah, thanks for watching, and remember, if you're not enjoying it, it's not worth doing. Much love, peace out.